Our hormone health affects our bodies in many ways, but one specific way is an increase in weight. Breaking the estrogen cycle and then going on an excellent weight management program is exactly what needs to take place. Hormonally challenged women gain weight around their middle between the armpits and the top of the thighs. Often their arms are average, their legs are standard, and from the neck up they look great. Hormonally challenged men gain weight around their waists and often are on their way to developing breasts. Estrogen is produced in our fat cells. Estrogen increases fat cells. As a result, more estrogen is produced, and so on and so on. Breaking the estrogen cycle and then going on an excellent weight management program is exactly what needs to take place. Step 1. Evaluate your hormones. Find out the ratio of estrogen to progesterone presently in your body. If out of balance, we call that estrogen dominance. Then you will likely have or currently be gaining weight around your middle. Step 2. Begin an estrogen-lowering program. That will include, of course, increasing your progesterone levels with a bioidentical progesterone cream. But hormone balancing was never all about progesterone. Modulating and balancing estrogens, if found to be out of balance to progesterone, is equally important to your weight loss program. An estrogen-lowering program will include increasing your fiber intake. That happens two ways. 1. Eat as much as you can by choosing fruits, vegetables, and whole grains as your high-fiber carbohydrate choices, and then add a fiber supplement, Fiber Source 7, to consume 30 to 50 grams of fiber daily. Increase the indoles, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower in your diet. That also happens two ways. Eat as much as you can and supplement with an Indole 3 carbinol supplement, Elagigard. Target 3 servings a day. Increase the essential fatty acids, or EFAs, in your diet. They are essential because the body does not make them. They help balance prostaglandin production in the body and thus help regulate estrogens. Increase your overall nutrition by taking extra vitamin C, Super C crystals, and by taking a concentrated fruit and vegetable supplement, Fruit and Vegetable Essence. Step 3. Eat 40, 30, 30. Incorporate a new way of approaching meals, proposing to eat carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in a balanced way at each meal. When we eat balanced meals, our weight will normalize, our energy levels will increase, and our hormones will be in balance. Step 4. Get moving. Develop a great exercise program with the help of someone who knows what they are doing. Tailor a program especially for you, one that you can do and are willing to make a commitment to keep. Most of us need to think in terms of keeping our bodies moving and staying active for the rest of our lives. Couch potatoes really are healthy. Step 5. Celebrate. Men and women whose hormones are out of balance feel unwell. Achieving hormone health will increase your overall health and wellness. In addition, it will assist you in losing weight. You will look younger and feel younger.